In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix crashing, freezing, or glitching on your Xbox Series X console or even your Xbox One. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if this issue only happens in a specific game, you need to go to the My Games and Apps section up at the very top, select the game, and let's just pretend it's Fortnite, right? Press the menu button, and then go ahead and uninstall the game, and then reinstall it, and see if that fixes the problem. But if your Xbox is freezing on the home screen, what you need to go ahead and do, and this goes across multiple apps as well, is just go up to the settings gear up at the very top, select it, and then go into the system settings, scroll over, find updates, select it, and make sure your console is fully updated, since the outdated software can obviously cause performance issues. Another thing to check is going to be your airflow. If your Xbox is in a tight space, it can overheat and start lagging or shutting down. Make sure it has enough space itself to have full airflow and proper ventilation. If the problem is still continuing for you though, go ahead and try a full power cycle. Just hold the power button down on your console for about 10 to 15 seconds until it completely shuts off. Once you do shut it off, go ahead and unplug the console itself. Wait a few seconds, plug it back in, and then turn the console on again. If none of that works, you can go into troubleshoot mode. You could just turn off your console and then press and hold down in the sync button while tapping the power button. Just keep holding the sync button until you hear the second beep. This is going to bring you into the troubleshoot menu, and from here you can just select reset this Xbox. You can reset and keep your games and app, or you can reset and remove everything. Try the first option first so that you can keep your data. If it's still not working, use the second option. Just keep in mind it is going to do a full reset. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.